can have my Gucci on, Gucci on. So we are doing Gucci inspired decor today. There is our lovely inspiration, which is the Gucci bee. I found this awesome fabric at Hobby Lobby along with this lovely bouquet. These containers here I found actually at Dollar Tree, so they don't cost hardly anything. And I'm also using these bath salts in addition to our design, so it's going to be super simple, really easy. I have some lettering so that we can put our Gucci on, literally. And last but not least, don't forget we're going to need something to attach it with, so boop, there you go. It's going to be our hot glue gun, so let's get to it. So with the fabric we have, you really don't need a whole lot of fabric. I purchased a yard and that was actually like way too much. I actually end up using just a half a yard for the whole design. So this here is actually a quarter of a yard. So I just took the yard, cut it in half, and then, you know, cut it in half again. And all I'm doing is just measuring it out here to attach with my hot glue gun. So something I didn't show on camera is that you can actually just once you line up everything perfectly, you can actually just put a small amount of hot glue at the very bottom, like right in the center, to keep everything from like shifting and moving around just a little bit, not enough to show through the fabric, but to keep everything in place. And literally you just fit your fabric to the size, make sure it's even, make sure you have enough fabric to actually go inside, like maybe like an inch or two inside of the actual container. That way you won't have any slippage and it'll be super secure. So if you do the two longest sides, that's what it looks like. And then I did one side already, which looks absolutely amazing so far. So don't worry about any wrinkles that you guys see in the fabric. We can actually just kill that later with the steamer. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this last piece. I have like way too much fabric there, so I'm just gonna cut some of it off. So FYI guys, you're definitely gonna have to play with this a little bit to help it just lie flat. Any excess fabric, just cut it off, no big deal. There's plenty there, and yeah, you're just gonna have to do some folding and primping just to make sure it's flat and exactly how you want it. All right, now while we're looking at that, please make sure you like the video. Feel free to leave a comment and tell me what you think of the design. Is it something that you want to try? What do you think? Do you love Gucci? Just tell me what it is. Yeah, leave a comment and like the video, and we'll continue forward. So once you get your fabric laying exactly how you want it, make sure you pull it taut as possible. Lay your hot glue down. I actually like putting the glue on the plastic rather than the fabric, and then just kind of like stretching and pressing the fabric down, and voila, there you go. Tell me that doesn't look sensational. Like, this is perfect for like office space, bathroom, or just like general tabletop decor. This is fabulous. So I am absolutely in love with these flowers. Like, I was looking at the Dollar Tree for like the perfect flowers, and I just could not find anything that I actually thought kind of looked real, or just, I don't know, I just couldn't find anything that looked good enough. So I got these from Hobby Lobby with the fabric, and I am in love. These are some bath salts that I got to complement our little basket there. I also got that from Dollar Tree. And the idea that inspired this is like using fabric as wrapping paper, which I never did, but I saw in one of those little Hobby Lobby booklets. So I was like, ooh, let me try this. So this is going to be like really great for like bathrooms, where you can do things that, obviously nothing that has like liquid in there because then it can mess up your fabric, but something solid like these bath salts would be perfect because they can add to your decor. And then, you know, you have some functionality, right? Like, we have flowers in our basket, but you can use that for like cosmetics, and this is like its own cosmetic spa accessory to, you know, just go perfect in your bathroom, right? And so what I'm gonna do is I folded it, you know, kind of in the style I wanted, and then I pulled it down a little bit, and I'm actually gonna glue the fabric to the top of our jar here, and that's just going to keep it like consistent so that if you actually like want to use the jar and open it up, that the fabric and the design is not going to fall apart on you, which is awesome. And so what I'm doing is just gluing the additional fabric, the layers, again, just to kind of look how I want it so it stays in place and it doesn't fall apart. You know, if I actually decide to use the bath salts that are in our little package here, you know, we got to make it functional and fabulous. You know, it can't just be one, it got to be both. So here you go. So like, as you can see, it's coming together, right? And I'm just going to test really quick to make sure we can actually open this bad boy. And as you can see, we can. So it's all good. We are making it happen. I found this little bow. It's like some extra ribbon I have. It's wired ribbon, so it really molds, and you know, you can do what you want, which I am so happy with. And as you can see, I decided, hey, let's just give it a little curl on both sides and see how it goes. Now feel free to cut any excess fabric that is off the top, and honestly, if you want to, you can really stop right there, but I decided let's make this bad boy super literal. So we're gonna put the Gucci on there. I try my best with the lettering to match the Gucci logo, but you know, it is what it is. It's just inspired, so it doesn't need to be perfect. And that's what I came up with, just trying to make those letters as balanced, even as possible. And ooh, I am loving it so far. Ooh, Gucci, Gucci, Gucci. That's what it's saying to me. I love it. Absolutely beautiful. So let's put the finishing touches on this bad boy. And as you can see, this is an absolutely lovely design. It's giving me Gucci. Love it. Now, if you don't want to use the letters, obviously you do not have to. They're just stick-on letters, so if I wanted to, I could just peel them off. I didn't glue them down at all. So if you don't want to be so literal, you know, feel free to take those letters off. Otherwise, enjoy your Gucci. And please make sure you like the video, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Do you like this design? Is it something that you've been willing to try? Do you love Gucci? Just let me know what's going on. So that's the end of our video, guys. I'm just going to let you vibe out to the rest, and I will see you in the next one.